This is your reading for today. Your cards are Hierophant and the Justice. Get ready for some big shifts in your life. Big changes are coming into your life, and this will totally change the dynamics of how you've been living, how you've been working. For some of you, this could be also related to some kind of a legal case which has been hanging fire for a long time, and you've been trying to find a way to make it work, and then you've been consulting, and you've been getting expert opinion. You will see movement over here, you will see balance coming into the situation, and most likely you will see a positive outcome over here. For many of you, these are changes that are going to be in an area of your life which will change the entire structure and routine of the way you live, and you have been wanting these changes for a very long time. For many of you, you have been trying to create this new structure in your life so that you can create a very positive and healthy change, and you have been trying to work from the inside out. On the inside, you have been doing a lot of healing, a lot of shadow work, and you've been trying to bring these changes into your external world with clarity, so that there is more balance in your life. And it has been a struggle for sure. There have also been days and moments where you really felt that you will not be able to do it, but you have stuck to the task and you have kept walking the steps up, and you will now see these changes coming into your life. For some of you, it could also mean that you are leaving a place and relocating entirely to a new place, and this new place that you are relocating to, it could be a different state, a different country. It can also mean you stepping into a new relationship, and the new setting and the new environment and the new relationship is going to be something that is a lot more aligned with this new healed version of yourself. And this is going to be a very happy change. So get ready to celebrate these changes in your life. The only thing that you need to be mindful about is that don't carry the baggage of the past. Don't carry your fears and limiting beliefs from the past into this new chapter. Don't look at the new settings and the people who come into your life with the lens of doubt and fear, because you have been living in that place for a very long time. The other thing to be mindful of is when we make the changes inside, we expect the outcome or the reality to change super fast, though we have been living in that stuck place for years and years. So even the reality will take time to change. But these changes are going to come to you slowly with a lot of stability and with a lot of potential, and there's a lot of beauty. Get ready for these shifts.